In this video, we'll cover the connection of an IP camera to the VMOM software. First, let's open the software. We'll start a module here as an example. In our case, it will be Camera 1. Here we have the module for Camera 1. The connection is quite simple. We need to enter the IP address into the URL, which in this case is the RTSP. The port, username, and password. If we don't have the camera's IP, we can use this tool, which is a scan that identifies all IP cameras within your network. Now it's searching. It found two cameras, one ending in 15 and the other in 16, with both having a Wi-Fi port and an RTSP port. We'll work here with the camera ending in 15. Enter its IP. Below, we enter the ONVIF port. Username provided by the manufacturer or the one you registered within your own IP camera. This information is provided by the camera's manufacturer. Each manufacturer has its own link and instructions. Verification is necessary of the manual. For this case, we'll fill in the username and password. When we click on Search, the URL, the RTSP link is obtained through this ONVIF connection. In some cameras, this RTSP link might be available directly in the manual. So it's necessary to check the camera settings with your camera's manufacturer. Here we have the correct ONVIF link for this camera. In the manual, and we click on Connect. When we click on Connect, the camera image will appear below. In the log file, if any issues occur, are visible. The type of issue that occurred will be recorded here or in any message that appears on screen. After the camera is connected, as we can see, we have some settings here, like the video size in the window. These settings here are only for the video size in the window itself, not for the video that will be analyzed. The video that will be analyzed will always be the same size as the video that the camera provides. This video size here, 640 by 360, is for viewing only here. We have the update. The image update in the hidden module, meaning in the active module, the camera works at 30 FPS. When we set it here in the hidden video module, the FPS processing will occur every 250 milliseconds, resulting in 4 FPS. Because this reduction is necessary, and hiding the video to reduce processing. This way we can use more resources of the software with other tools. Back here to the active video. We have the option for automatic reconnection. How does it work if I enable automatic reconnection here and set it, for example, to 120 minutes? Then, every 120 minutes, the camera will disconnect and reconnect again. Why is that? We might have some network instability or some instability in certain cameras that require periodic reconnections, and this tool solves those problems. Here we also have the codec filter. This filter, when activated, if any problem occurs with the camera and when the camera returns the video, will come back. Why does this codec filter exist? In some video encodings, problems can occur in the image that can lead to false diagnostics and analysis tools. It's always good to keep the codec filter enabled to avoid false positives during analysis. Right below here, we'll select as an example a tool, in this case, my tool 1, and we're going to draw over the image here. In Analysis region, I'll click here on Region 1 Drawing and I'll draw here the region I wanted to analyze. In this central dot, I can tilt the analysis region. However, we'll come back to this point later. And here we finish the part about disconnecting an IP camera in the software. In our manual, we have specific chapters talking about types of decoding of IP cameras where the best techniques are advised for configuring the camera's IP addresses within the VIMAB application. Enjoy reading the manual.